Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will have a walkthrough on our to write a program that solve the area of a circle using OOP or object oriented approach in C++ programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new in my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. Okay, so we have here the standard library in C++, IO stream for input output, IO money for two decimal places, and then we have here declaration of a class circle. Public means we have here the constructor that will initialize the circle, no? So we have circle, double radius, this radius, and then we have another method to calculate the area of the circle. So we have here the formula, assuming that the pi is 3.14509265,359 multiplied by radius twice. And then we have another method to calculate the circumference of the circle. Double radius. In main, it is the starting point of every C++ program. In this line of code, line 28 to 31, we are asking the user to give the radius of the circle that will be stored in our variable radius, the title of our program, area of the circle using OP approach, and then we have here create a circle object with provided radius. So circle, we will call this constructor here, and then calculate and display the area of the circle and circumference. So we have the area equals circle, calculate area, double circle, calculate circumference, and then we display the result here. So the set precision 2 is based on this library file on the top, the IO manip to decimal places. The circumference of our circle fixed to decimal places also, and a program. Thank you for using this program. Return 0. It will terminate and return to our operating system. As I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today. Okay, let us click the run button here. Build. Okay, area of the circle using OP approach. Enter the radius of the circle. Let's say we have 5.6. So the area of the circle is 98.52. The circumference of the circle is 35.19. End of program. Thank you for using this program. Another example, 10.4. So having the radius of 10.4, the area of the circle will be 339.79. The circumference of the circles is 65.35. End of program. Thank you for using this program. Okay guys, so this is the end of my tutorial video on area of the circle using OOP of object-oriented programming approach in C++ programming language. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. If you're new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.